Muling naging sentro ng usapan sa showbiz industry ang aktres na si Ellen Adarna matapos niyang magsalita kaugnay sa issue ng pagiging good provider umano ng dati niyang asawa na si Derek Ramsey, isang pahayag na naunang nabanggit ng veteranang showbiz columnist na si Christy Fermin. Nagsimula ang diskusyon matapos purihin ni Fermin si Ramsey bilang isang mabuting provider. Subalit para kay Ellen Adarna, hindi ito tugma sa kanyang personal na karanasan. Sa post na binahagi ni Ellen noong February 20, tahasan niyang binahagi ang kanyang panig. Ayon sa aktres, noong nakarang buwan ay nakarating umano siya sa puntong kinakailangan niyang magbigay ng ultimatum. No sustento, no lili, anya. Ipinaabot nga ito sa assistant ni Derek. Ayon kay Ellen, 2 linggo pa lamang nakalipas nang mabigyan siya ng credit card na may limit na 50,000 pesos. Ito umano ay nangyari matapos niyang i-call out ang aktor. Para sa kanya, hindi sapat ang ganitong hakbang upang agad maituring na good provider ang isang ama. Para kay Ellen Adarna, ang pagiging responsableng provider ay hindi dapat idinadaan sa paalala o panawagan. Ito ay kusang ibinibigay at ginagampanan. What kind of foolishness is this, Christy Fermin? The claims being made are misleading and unfair. Let's set the record straight. Truth matters. Facts matter, and credit should always be given where is it due. Last month, I told his assistant, no sustento, no lili. That's simple. I am not demanding anything beyond what is fair, but I will not allow a father to live comfortably just cooling his balls while having little to not contribution to his child. Because he gets to see her almost every day. Only after I called him out did he give a credit card 2 weeks ago with a 50,000 pesos credit limit. That amount covers only 55.80% of the actual breakdown of Liana's expenses that I clearly presented. Let's be accurate about that. And let's also correct this narrative. Neither he nor his mother has ever paid for my yayas or household stuff. Not now. Not even when we were married. I paid for my own stuff. I have 5 nannies and 2 are for Liana. They only paid for 1 nanny for Liana. I paid for my own groceries and they did not provide a house for me. I did that myself. Let's not rewrite history. So please, let's stop being delusional and stop branding someone as a good provider when the numbers and reality say otherwise. A real provider doesn't wait to be called out. He gives willingly, he takes initiative. He doesn't rely on words, flexing, or public image. That's it, pansit. Period.
Ay, buti ka pa. Ako never. Well, at the time, October, November, December, I was okay with it because, wala, it didn't really bother me because kaya ko naman eh. I mean, I can support Liana myself. But then it was my family who like knocked some sense into my head over the holidays when we spoke about it. They were like, what? Wala pa siyang bigay. You know what? Parang like, kung wala siyang bigay, then no, don't let him see Lily. Simple as that. Don't beg. Don't ask for anything. But if he doesn't give, then no Lily. Diba? Parang, ano kasi naswerte? Tama lang naman. So there, when I told them January na, yun na yung rules ko. Kung hindi kayo magbigay, din walang Lily. So, yun, dumating yung credit card 2 weeks ago. In fairness talaga kay JL Deke, wala akong masabi. Hindi na kailangan, pagsabihan. And wag niyo na itong gawang chismis ha, kasi JL and I are better off as co-parents, as in, super okay kami sa co-parenting namin. Chika lang. So when he found out that we moved houses, of course, Elias, anak niya kasama. You know what? He offered, like, Len, kung ano man kailangan nyo, just let me know, baka makatulong kami. Di ba? Ay, nagkusa. No. So there, you know, iba talaga ang taong ganyan. Yung kusa and, how is it?
Meanwhile, yung isa, hinamon pa ng suntukan yung isang kapatid ko who's like half his age.
Hi, Austin. Tuesday, it was a topic before, you know, like husbands giving allowances to their wives, and witness yung mga friends ko nito. They were there when he said it. Ba't ko bibigyan ng allowance yung asawa ko? Ano siya, pokpok, bayaran? Naiyahang panindigan. Uy, asa ka? Asa nasad ka? So, to be honest, Dino, ang kasama sa group chat, hindi lang ex-girlfriends. And I didn't create that group chat. I was invited. You know, there are ex-friends, ex-best friends, ex-girlfriends, and ex-family members of his. And some family members of his. That's part of the group chat. So, yeah, interesting. Active pa rin yung GC.
I totally agree with Ellen. It's so frustrating how people act like Derek is doing all the right things when he's clearly not. He can't even provide properly for his own kids, and that's embarrassing. He should be taken responsibility, but instead, he's just living comfortably while contributing nothing. If he truly cared about his family, he'd be doing more than just showing up for the camera. And it's not just with Ellen. His first kid with his ex-wife is still left out in the cold. He hasn't stepped up there either. And honestly, blaming Ellen for being with someone like Derek is just ridiculous. She's not the one lacking, he is. No woman should be judged for loving someone, even if this person ends up showing their true colors.